All right, Bruchim Abayim, everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Kedushas Levi, or Levi Yitzchak Ben Sor Sashem Berditchev, Schusi Yogeling V'Slamein. In this week's Parshas, Parshas Noach, in the book of Genesis, chapter 6, it says, as Elokim Esalech Noach, that Noah walked with God. So the Kedushas Levi says, Ayemer as Elokim Esalech Noach, that Noah walked with God. Kloy Meshapol Zeh Shebar Baruch Hu that what Noah accomplished was that the blessed Creator should enclothe himself, so to speak, in the letters of the Hebrew alphabet. V'zeu S, Aleph Taf. I know Chaf V'zoisius Me Aleph Ad Taf. That means the 22 letters of the Hebrew alphabet from A to Z, from Aleph to Taf. Elokim Hishalech, that he walked with God. That Noah accomplished that God walked with the letters of the Hebrew alphabet. Hishalech Elokim Es, that God walked with the letters of the Hebrew alphabet, Ba'oisius, with the letters. Who accomplished this? Noach. Noah is the one who made this possible. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment, and we'll see you later.